everyone, welcome back. Is Polymarket updates stuck on waiting, failing to download, or not showing in the App Store? Running an old version of Polymarket is one of the top causes of login errors and connection issues. Here's how to force the update through. Open the App Store and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner. Scroll down past your account's details and pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of available updates. Look for Polymarket in the list of apps and then tap update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting or progress circle is frozen, go to your home screen, tap and hold on the Polymarket icon, and then tap pause download. Then tap it again to resume the download. This kickstarts a frozen download every single time. If the update keeps failing, check your storage. Go to your settings and then go to general, then iPhone storage, and make sure that you have at least 1 GB free. Updates fail silently when storage is too low. Free up space by offloading unused apps and then retry the update. Also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in settings before retrying. So, all you gotta do is go to your app store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free storage in settings, try mobile's data. Polymarket update will complete, and that's it. Subscribe for more Polymarket fixes.